Ariel from Seattle Coffee Gear, and we are going to be making another coffee cocktail today. It's a little twist on an espresso martini. It's a tiramisu martini. We're going to be adding a little bit of mascarpone cheese, which technically speaking, it's not really a cheese. It's more of a thickened cream. It's one of the main components in tiramisu. It's thick and it has kind of its own natural sweetness. It's really dense, super delicious. So why don't we go ahead and get started? So in my drink shaker, I have ice already, and I'm going to go ahead and get a shot of espresso pulled. Just going to give this a tamp. And we're going to get this brewing. So while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the liquor. So it's 2 ounces of vodka, ½ an ounce of coffee liqueur. You can use Kahlua or a different brand if you prefer. And then we are just going to do a teaspoon of mascarpone. Stuck to the spoon. Okay. Now from there, we're going to do 1 ounce of espresso. And we're going to give this a good shake. And you just want to do it until everything is really well incorporated. And then we're going to go ahead and give this a good strain. And you can see that the mascarpone cheese kind of made everything like nice and thick and creamy. And a little bit frothy too, which is nice. This is actually a really super simple cocktail to make. All right. So now we're just going to top this guy off with a little unsweetened cocoa powder, and I have a little sifter here. Just give it a little tap like that. Alrighty. There is our super simple tiramisu martini. I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. Ooh. Okay, that's really good. It does have that kind of classic tiramisu flavor. The mascarpone adds a really nice kind of frothy, creamy body. And the cocoa powder does a really great job of cutting through that sweetness from the Kahlua. Okay, I'm definitely going to be making this from now on instead of just your usual run-of-the-mill espresso martini. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. See you next time. Cheers, guys.